Hey, good morning, everyone. We're getting closer to Halloween, and this is my attempt.
Oh my god!
What are you? Oh my god! Huh? The spider? Yeah, it's another spider ring. Look, can you tell what that is? Mommy tried to make you one.
Spider.
I know. I tried to make you a spider. Do you see how many legs there are?
Yeah, 8.
8. Yep, spiders have 8 legs, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, all right, so that's a Nutella sandwich. I used some brioche bread, and then I took some pretzel sticks, made them into legs, and then used some chocolate chips for the eyes, and then cut like a little smiley face because it's a happy spider. And then I added some extra spider rings in here with some edamame and oranges. You have to eat it because that's your vegetable. Some sliced up bananas because usually we do banana and Nutella sandwich, but I left the banana out so that the sandwich was easier to make. So the bananas are here, his multivitamins, and then his oranges, and he got this ghost ring this weekend. So he wanted to put it into his lunchbox, and now he has. Yep. So now you have 3 rings.
And a black spider.
A black spider ring. Yes, that was from last.
And another one.
Okay. Okay. All right. Do you think it's gonna be yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, you better eat some edamame. You guys see all the edamame here. We're going to see how much is left at the end of the day. All right? Okay.
Guys, I'm going to eat like 1 edamame.
Oh, my God. No, how about we eat like 10 edamame? They're very small. They're very small. Okay? All right, see you guys at the end of the day. Bye.
Bye.
So we're back from school and from work, and Brandon brought a Yum Box today. He had the little Nutella sandwich that was a spider, and let's see what he finished. So he finished the entire sandwich. This was multivitamins, this was bananas, oranges. He finished everything. He left his rings, so he didn't lose those. That's good. But the edamame, I think he ate maybe 3 or 4 pieces. There's still a lot in there, but he finished the rest of it, so that was pretty good. So I think he liked his lunch. Hopefully it stayed in one piece when it got to school, because I know once it goes on to the side, you just never know what the lunch is going to look like when it's done. But it looks like everything is good to go. So we will eat that again, of course. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye.